Welcome to our Bubbling Blobs experiment. I'm Miss Ginette, and I'm coming to you from the West River branch of the Elyria Public Library. Here is what you need for your science experiment today. You're going to need some water, some food coloring. The darker the better, so you can see our bubbling blobs. You're going to need a glass, some effervescent tablets. The most popular that we know is Alka-Seltzer. And you're also going to need some oil. Today I have vegetable oil, but you could use other kinds of oil as well. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour some water into your glass, maybe 1/3 of the way. Now you want to color your water. Remember, the darker you make it, the better you'll be able to see the bubbling blobs. And I think I'm going to choose red. Maybe 4 drops. I'll give another one, 5. All right. Now I'm going to put in some oil. Maybe up to the 2/3 mark. A little bit more water, just a splash. And now I'm going to add the oil up to the 2/3 mark. At this point, I'm going to get ready to add the effervescent tablets. I'm going to crack the tablets in half, or maybe in thirds. And then I'm going to go right ahead and dump it right in. Go! Wow! Look at all those bubbling blobs. This will keep bubbling until our tablet dissolves and runs out. And when that happens, just add some more tablets for some extra fun. Amazing! What is the science behind our bubbling blobs? Well, it all comes down to density and polarity. Water and oil have different densities. Water is heavier, so it sinks below the lighter oil. Water also has charged molecules. One side is negative and the other side is positive. We call that polar water. Oil is nonpolar, so the two liquids do not mix. The tablets that we put in sank to the bottom because they were the most dense. But all of a sudden, they had a chemical reaction. We put the tablets in, they sunk to the bottom, they reacted with the water and made carbon dioxide, and those bubbles of carbon dioxide took some of the water with them and floated to the top because they were the least dense of the whole container. Then they popped, and water is denser than oil, so it had to sink back down. And there you go, bubbling blobs.